Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you've ever found yourself searching for notes, tasks, or pages in Notion and thinking, there's got to be a better way, then this video is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to use Notion's Quick Find feature, the tool that can help you search smarter, find what you need in seconds, and keep your Notion workspace organized and stress-free. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident zipping through your Notion workspace, whether you're hunting for a forgotten page or checking details across multiple team spaces. Let's dive right in. To get started, look over to the left pane of your Notion window. That sidebar holds the gateway to finding pretty much anything in your workspace. You'll notice a little magnifying glass icon near the top. Go ahead and click that, or if you're all about keyboard shortcuts, just press Ctrl+P. The shortcut is super handy. Whenever you find yourself thinking, where did I put that? Just pop that shortcut and you're instantly ready to search. Once the search window pops up, you're now in Quick Find. This is the central hub for searching within Notion. At its core, Quick Find lets you scan through everything in your workspace, all your pages, your databases, tasks, even those quick notes you jotted down last month. Simply type in what you're searching for. Maybe you remember the title of a meeting doc, or maybe just a random phrase from a note. Notion will dig through your workspace and pull up anything that matches. Now, let's slow down and really look at the search options that show up here, because this is where Quick Find gets powerful. Right above your search results, you'll see several ways to fine-tune your search. First up, you can sort by most relevant results. Notion is pretty smart. It knows which pages you access the most, and it'll put those front and center. But what if your search brings up way too many matches? Here's where filtering is your best friend. You'll see options like Search Title Only. This restricts your results to pages and notes where your keyword actually appears in the title, not just buried somewhere in the content. Maybe you're trying to remember if you made a specific project roadmap page. Title search will help you cut out all the noise and zero in fast. You'll also spot filters for created by and team space. These are especially useful if you're working with a team or sharing your workspace. Sometimes you need to find something your colleague created last week, or maybe you're searching within a particular team space for a policy doc. Just choose those filters and Notion will only show you the content you really need. Don't rush this part. It can take a few moments to get comfortable with all the options, but once you do, it's like finding your favorite sweater in a messy closet. Everything feels more organized and you won't waste time digging. There's even a filter for date, which helps when you're looking for something recent, like a task from yesterday or an announcement from last month. Try experimenting with these filters, combining them to refine your search even further. Once you've picked your settings and entered your keywords, Notion will update your results in real time as you type. It's quick, responsive, and surprisingly fun once you see just how much you can uncover. At this point, you might want to practice just a bit. Try searching for a few pages, use different filters, and see how the results change. The more you use Quick Find, the faster and more intuitive it'll become. Kind of like learning a new shortcut in your favorite app. Well, that's it for boosting your search powers in Notion using Quick Find. If this video helped you untangle your workspace, don't forget to drop a like and leave a comment below if you have any questions or want more tips. And of course, subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching. Happy searching!